Please know that we are so proud of you. Show them what you got. Ladies and gentlemen, sit back, relax, and enjoy this afternoon. Once again, magandang hapon po, mabuhay po tayong lahat.
Muli, malakpakan natin ang Head Teacher 6 na MAPE, no other than Ma'am Esperanza A. Gonzalez.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
And
Now, sir, for the statement of the
his
purpose.
statement of the purpose. Let's give a round of applause to our EPS, MAPE, from the Division of Bulacan,
Sir Ariston E. Manuel.
Sir.
Thank you, Sir Norla and Sir Anthony. Okay. Before I deliver the purpose of this activity and this curriculum, the special program in the arts, let me greet first our school head, Sir Marciano B. Cruz, Principal 4, and to his assistant, Sir Joel Milan, and to Ma'am Cheryl Guyana, kumari ko, and to our department head of MAPE, Ma'am Esperanza Gonzalez, HT6, to my wife, and to all of you. So, I'm happy to see you again, my SMNHS family. So, okay. So, special program in the arts. No? This is the purpose of this curriculum. This program enhances the implementation of arts education in secondary schools. And coming soon for elementary also. Including visual arts, music, media arts, creative writing, theater arts, and dance. It provides opportunities for students to develop creative skills and express themselves through different art disciplines. Okay, so one day I will go to Sir Mars' office because last Thursday, the regional supervisor conducted a meeting for the implementers of special program in the arts. No? At ito, sasabihin ko, kaya kailangan namin mag-usap ni Sir. So, our regional ARPOT for 2024 will be held on the Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Na-observe po ng ating regional supervisor, most of the entries in that event ay mga non-implementer ng special program. Kaya pinagsabihan po kami mga EPS ng division. Para ano pa nag-implement kayo ng special program in the arts, ngayong tinatalo pala kayo sa division level. At ang majority ng entries ay mga non-implementers. So with that, we will accept the challenge. Sa mga susunod na taon, tayo manalo sa Festival of Talents. Okay? So with that, to our performers and all these